Hey, April with Working Mindfully again. Are you one of these people that see these videos about meditation and mindfulness and you immediately go, "Oh, I can't meditate. I can't do that. I can't clear my mind completely." I don't know how anybody could do that. And so then you don't try. This video is for you. So let's take a look at what might happen if you jump into a mindfulness and meditation practice without understanding what mindfulness and meditation really is. What a long day. I need to take a few minutes for myself. I just need to be mindful for a moment. Okay, how do I do this again? Right, sit up straight. Close my eyes. Do I close my eyes? No, wait. Shoulders back, that's right. Close my eyes. I'm focusing on my breathing. Neighbor's dog. No, it's okay. Back to my breathing. Am I supposed to sit with my fingers together like this? I think I'm supposed to sit like this. All right, no, I'm thinking again. Let me try again. Oh, shoot. Did I get what I needed for dinner tonight? I want to get back to breathing. I can't do this. I just can't meditate. I don't know how to do this. Nobody can clear their mind completely. I just give up. Okay, so let's rewind that and let's try it again. But this time, I want you to understand that you do not have to clear your mind completely of all thoughts to be mindful or to meditate. That is incredibly difficult to do. What I want you to do is to be present in the moment. So when you have a thought come in, either verbalize it out loud or internally, acknowledge it, and go back to focusing on your breathing. So when the dog barks, say dog. And then focus on paying attention to the inhale in and the exhale out. Do that for 5 minutes. Maybe next week or the week after that, extend it to 10 minutes. And then so on and so forth. Even the smallest bit of time mindfully being present in the moment is good for your mental health. So let's try it again. Dog barking. Thought about posture. Thought about dinner. Thought about hand positioning. And that's how you stay present in the moment. I hope that little tip, little trick helped you, gives you the courage and the understanding to be able to try mindfulness and maybe meditation again. If you tried it and it helped you, leave me some comments in the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps small channels like this really grow and helps get the message out to others. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.